Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how some students seem to breeze through classes and ace exams without ever taking notes? Well, stick around because today I'm going to unveil some secrets of top students who manage to succeed without the traditional pen and paper approach. So, let's dive right in. First off, it's important to understand that learning is not one size fits all. Some students thrive on auditory learning. This means they really absorb information just by listening. These students often engage deeply in lectures, focusing intently on the professor's words, and can recall details without scribbling them down. Now let's talk about the power of active learning. Instead of writing everything down, some students prefer to engage directly with the material. This could be through mental summarization, where they constantly summarize key points in their mind to reinforce memory retention. This technique not only helps them understand the material on a deeper level but also aids in long-term retention. Another strategy is the use of mnemonic devices. This is a learning technique that aids in information retention. By associating information with common phrases, acronyms, or vivid mental images, students create shortcuts to remember complex information. For instance, using the acronym HOMES to remember the Great Lakes, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. Furthermore, top students often leverage technology effectively. With the advent of educational apps and online resources, some students replace traditional note-taking with digital tools. These tools can organize, highlight, and even summarize key lectures and readings in an interactive and engaging way. Discussion and collaboration can also replace note-taking. Many students find that discussing the material with peers can enhance understanding and memory. This method utilizes the social aspect of learning, where explaining concepts to others and engaging in group discussions can solidify knowledge much more effectively than notes ever could. Lastly, let's not overlook the importance of a good old-fashioned understanding of one's personal learning style. These students usually have a strong self-awareness about what works best for them and tailor their study habits accordingly. Whether it's auditory learning, visual aids, or hands-on experience, leveraging their strengths allows them to absorb and retain information efficiently. So, there you have it. No notes? No problem. It turns out successful students often employ a variety of techniques that suit their personal learning style and life's pace. It's all about finding what works best for you and running with it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and tips. Happy studying and see you in the next one.